Every small business says they care about quality, that they put the customer first, that they are unique. How is anyone supposed to tell them apart? This is the real reason some businesses grow fast and others get ignored. It's not marketing, it's not money, it's positioning. Because if you don't control the story in your customer's mind, someone else will. In this video, we'll break down the exact framework used by breakout brands and how you can apply it even if you're just getting started. Think about the last time you needed a coffee, a pair of running shoes, or a place to buy cheap furniture. You probably thought of a specific brand. That wasn't an accident. That's positioning. Most people confuse branding with positioning, but here is the difference. It's not what you say you are, it's what they remember you for. Back in the 1980s, marketing legends Al Ries and Jack Trout defined positioning as the battle for your customer's mind. In other words, the goal isn't to be the best business, it's to be the best option for a specific person. Every category has a mental ladder. The top few brands get remembered and everyone else gets ignored. So, if you're just another quality service or local business, you are stuck on the bottom rung and no one's climbing down to find you. That's positioning. They didn't get there by accident. They chose the slot they wanted to own and everything they did reinforced it. So, before you pick a logo, before you build a website, before you post on social, you need to answer one question. That's what this video is here to help you figure out. And it starts by avoiding the one mistake most small businesses make. Here is the problem. Most small businesses sound the same. They try to appeal to everyone, so they end up standing for nothing. Let's say you run a bakery. If your tagline is delicious treats made with love, that could be anyone. But if you say the only gluten-free bakery in town using heirloom grains and zero refined sugar, now we are talking. This happens because most businesses think being broad means more opportunity. But in reality, broad is forgettable, specific is memorable. Positioning expert April Danford puts it best. Customers won't dig to understand you. You have to hand it to them. If your message isn't sharp, no one will slow down long enough to figure out what you're actually good at. One says, we do graphic design for everyone, or simply, we do graphic design. The other says, we do pitch decks for health tech startups. Who do you trust more? The specialist always wins. Not because they are better, but because their value is clearer. Positioning isn't about adding more to your message. It's about subtracting everything that doesn't matter. It's about choosing, saying yes to a specific group of people and no to everyone else, which is scary, but it's also the reason people remember you. So, how do you figure out who to position for and what to say? That's what we'll cover next, step by step. So, step 1, define your best customer. Not your average customer, not your ideal customer, your best customer. Your positioning starts with choosing who you want to be a hero to. It could be coaches launching their first course or new homeowners who care about sustainability. The clearer you are about who you serve best, the easier it is to position yourself as the best option. Step 2. Understand the category you compete in. Define what category you want to own in your customer's mind. Are you the fastest, the simplest, the most ethical, the most affordable? If you can't be fast in a category, create a new one. Like, the first eco-friendly cleaning brand for parents. You're not just another cleaning brand, you are the only one for that specific group. Step 3. Identify your unique edge. Here is where positioning becomes powerful. What's the thing only you can say credibly? It might be your process, your values, your audience, your origin story, or your pricing model. What are you the only at? For example, the only design studio specializing in product launches for SaaS startups, or the only local gym offering AI-powered fitness plans for new dads. That's the edge. That's what sticks in the mind. Step 4. Craft your positioning statement. Now turn all of that into one internal sentence that guides everything that you do. Here is a template for target customer, who need, brand is the category that benefit, and like alternative, we differentiator. Example, for first-time course creators who want to launch fast, Course Launch Co. is the only design studio that builds, writes, and automates your sales funnel in under 7 days. You don't need to publish this, but you need to live by it. Step number 5, communicate it everywhere. Positioning isn't a strategy document, it's a lens. Every piece of content, every word on your site, every product decision should reinforce your position. If your position is luxury for professionals, your design better not scream bargain basement. If your position is fastest onboarding for freelancers, your homepage better prove it in 10 seconds. This framework works whether you are selling coffee, coaching, candles, or code. And the brands that apply it, even small ones, start to feel big because they feel clearer. Next, let's look at how real brands have used this to stand out so you can see it in action. Let's bring the framework to life. Here are 3 different businesses using clear positioning to win without being the biggest. Soko Kenya, a service plus social enterprise. Location, Kenya. Soko Kenya isn't just another garment factory. They are positioned as an ethical manufacturing partner for global fashion brands that care about people as much as profit. Their framework, best customer, sustainable fashion labels seeking ethical supply chains. Their category, ethical manufacturing. Their edge, transparent wages, social impact, local empowerment. Positioning statement, which is implied, for fashion brands that prioritize ethical production. Soko Kenya is the manufacturing partner that delivers high quality goods and high impact change. It's not just B2B, it's values to values. Next is Wild Nutrition, product brand. Location, United Kingdom. Wild Nutrition could have just been another supplement brand. Instead, they've positioned themselves as the pioneers of food-grown supplements, natural, bioavailable, and formulated by women for women. Their framework, the best customer, women seeking natural alternatives to synthetic vitamins. Category, food-grown supplements. Their edge, female founder-led, backed by science, rooted in nutrition. Positioning statement implied, for women who care about what goes into their body, Wild Nutrition is the supplement brand that offers natural, food-grown formulas without the synthetic stuff. They didn't just sell health, they redefined how it's delivered. Next up is Design Joy, a favorite of mine. It's a service business. Location, United States. Design Joy is a one-person design studio doing over $1 million a year, and they don't charge by the hour. Quite interesting. Their position: unlimited design for a flat monthly fee. Their best customer: founders who need design fast. Their category: productized design subscriptions. Their edge: solo founder, no meetings, predictable pricing. Positioning statement implied: for busy startup teams, Design Joy is the design partner that delivers unlimited work at a fixed rate. No calls, no friction. It's productized, it's bold, and it's unforgettable. I'm saying all this to say, different continents, different industries, same playbook. And this is what they all share in common: a clear customer, a defined category, a unique edge, a message they own across every touch point. You don't need to be global to stand out. You just need to be clear. And if your brand isn't clear yet, don't worry. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to fix or sharpen your positioning starting today. Positioning isn't just a slide in your strategy deck. It's either working or it's hurting you. So here is how to know where you stand and what to fix. Step 1. Run the clarity test. Look at your homepage or your Instagram bio or anywhere where you have your business posted. Can a total stranger answer 3 things in 5 seconds? What do you do? Who is it for? Why should I choose you over anyone else? If not, your positioning needs tightening. Step 2. Check for these 3 red flags. Still unsure? These 3 symptoms usually mean your positioning is weak. You are attracting the wrong clients. If people keep asking for things you don't do, your message isn't clear. You're blending in with everyone else. If your copy sounds like your competitors, guess what? Your customers won't remember you either. You're hard to refer. If someone can't explain what you do in 1 sentence, you'll never go viral by word of mouth. Step number 3. Use this mini framework to improve it. If your positioning feels fuzzy, try this quick reset. Fill in these 3 prompts and get brutally specific. We help specific person, not everyone. Pick a real niche with specific problem. Use their language, not business jargon. Unlike common alternatives, we, unique edge, name the thing that only you do. For example, we help indie skincare brands launch faster with design and copy in one place. Unlike freelancers, we work as a single team. Step number 4, test it in the wild. Once you've sharpened your position, don't overthink it. Test it. Try rewriting your Instagram bio, your product description, or your cold outreach email. If it makes people say, "That's exactly what I need," you are on the right track. Clear positioning isn't just marketing trick. It's a growth engine. It makes your content easier to write, your product easier to sell, and your brand easier to remember. Most small business owners don't fail because of their product. They fail because no one gets what they do or why they should care. But that's not you anymore. Let's do a quick recap of what we have covered. What brand positioning actually means, the most common mistakes, the 5-step framework to build it, real brands doing it right, and how to check and fix your own. Positioning isn't about shouting louder, it's about being clearer to the right people. And once you get that right, every piece of your brand starts working harder for you. Your copy gets easier, your customers become your marketers, and your business starts to grow without guessing. If you want to go deeper into how businesses create a brand identity that distinguishes them in a noisy market, then watch this video next and discover how to create a brand that stands out in a crowded market. See you in the next one.